we made a small effort. It's a trial basis. We have given the space to the taxi association, and we told them strict conditions we have given. That is, they have to display the state government approved rates, and they have to display, and they have to conduct in such a manner. They have to supply adequate number of taxis. Suppose if they don't have a taxi, then they have to allow other taxis also to join at the same rate, whatever displayed here. If there is any problem, we will have a review in the next season, because this season is up to June, May end and June. Then we will, based on this experience, next season we will make out, we have to refine the plan.
How many passenger lines do you expect this season?
This season, up to May, there are 40 cruise vessels planned. So far, 27. This is the 27th. This is the 27th vessel. Last year total is 29 vessel total. So today this vessel is 27. Another 13 vessels are expected. Next year we are hoping we will be getting around 60. That is a plan. Even Mumbai is targeting around 100 vessels in 2 to 3 years. So same number of vessels, 70 to 80 vessels it has to come. 70 to 80 vessel handling. In a single day there are chances of 2 vessels at a time. So now we have to do some more readjustment here. So our plan is to do 2 cruise vessels here itself handling here, so that this entire area will be a cruise activity. If at all, if we give the land to defense here, then that mole berth also we will be getting. Because that Navy will be shifting there. So we will have a mole also we can take. These are all in a drawing board stage. But our idea is we are planning to handle 100 plus cruise vessels in next 2 to 3 years. But Navy construction takes around 4 to 5 years. So we can say around 4 to 5 years we will be handling around 100 cruise vessels here.